So welcome to Module 3, which is part 2 of building our walking skeleton for our application. And in this part we're going to be focused on the client side, so we're basically going to be starting to build our React application. So let's take a look at the plan for this particular module. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the Create React App tool from Facebook to actually create our React application. Then we're going to review the application. After that, we will take a look at a small piece of theory, just to look at some React concepts and TypeScript. So if you're familiar with both of those, then feel free to skip that part. Then we'll take a look at React states and then fetching data from the API. And at this point, we'll need to address CORS, which is something we need to configure on our API and send back as a header to our clients. And CORS is a browser security measure. It's called cross-origin resource sharing. And it's something we'll look at when we come on to that as well. And we'll also take a look at semantic UI for the styling framework that we're going to use for our application. So that's the plan, and what we're going to start with is create React app.